Good morning children. Today we start online class for class 6. Children, in previous class we have discussed about food varieties and food ingredients. Once again we recall what are food ingredients children. Children, there is a boy named Ravi. Okay, there is a boy named Ravi. Ravi wants to eat special food item on a special day. You think any of the festival day, think as the Deepavali. On that special occasion, he asked his mother to prepare pulihora. You know pulihora? Pulihora. Okay children, her mother replied that I will make pulihora for you. Then again Ravi asked to his mother what he asked. Okay mommy, you said that you are going to prepare pulihora for me. So give me a list of ingredients or give me a list of materials which are required to prepare pulihora children. Understand children? I think so many of the students went to markets or to the shop, grocery shop, whatever it may be, to bring materials which are required to cook any type of food material children. Okay, here too the Ravi asked his mother to prepare pulihora. What are the materials we required, mommy? So please give me a list of items which are required to prepare pulihora. Then her mother replied, one of the main thing is rice. Second, oil. Third, salt. Fourth one, turmeric. Next, fifth one, water. Not water. Okay, children. Mainly we got 4 items. Along with that, asafoetida and main ingredient tamarind. Children, if to prepare pulihora we require all these kind of materials. Understand children? Then he wondered and surprised to prepare rice. We are eating rice every day, no? So to prepare rice we need only 2 materials. What are that? One is raw rice and second one is what we require? Water. Understand children? For cooking rice we need raw rice and water. For cooking pulihora or preparing for pulihora we need 6 materials children. Understand? Means if we want to prepare different types of food varieties or different types of food items, we need different materials children. Not 1 or 2. We need different types of materials. Understand children? That's why we call this concept as food ingredients. Means the definition says the materials which are required to cook food. The materials which are required to cook food. Nothing but food means different varieties, not only rice, pulihora, semia, cashew, or whatever it may be. Understand children? Dosa, idli, sambar, all these. To prepare any kind of food material, we need the materials. First of all, we need materials as basic. The materials which are required to cook food are known as, what they are known as? Ingredients. Okay children, this was the topic, food ingredients. So there is an activity for you children in the textbook itself, and in that activity they given 2 columns. One is food items and second one they given the title as ingredients which are required to prepare food, children. So you think what are the food materials that you like? What are the food items that you like? And write on the left column and write on the right column what materials are required. For suppose you wanted to eat what idli. What materials are required to prepare idli? You write on the right column. If you want to eat jalebi, understand, children? So what are the materials required for jalebi preparation? You write on the right column, children. Understand? This was the activity, children. Understand? Next we will see food sources. Food sources. Children, next topic is food sources or sources of foods. Sources of foods. Children, you are eating a lot of varieties of food items. You know, in our day-to-day life, we eat lot variety of food materials. If we are eating like that, do you got any doubt at any time? Okay, where these materials are coming from? Understand, children? Where these materials are coming from? What are the sources? Understand, children? If suppose a simple example, who is your source? Your father and your mother is your source. They will give you money, they will buy books, they will give good education. All these are sources given by your father and mother. Then whatever the food materials or food items what we are eating, they are sources, means they are the sources from where they are getting. From where they are getting source. Where is the source? Simple, children. If suppose you take plants, children. You know, plant is a source for what? Fruits and vegetables. Simple. Fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables. Children, we get all kinds of fruits and all kinds of vegetables from only plants. Do we get from animals? No. We'll get only vegetables or fruits only from the plant, not from any other source. Next, we are getting milk. We are getting milk and meat, meat and eggs from animals, children. You know, we daily drink milk. From where the milk comes from us? Understand, children? From where the milk comes for us? From the animals like buffalo and cow. Next, where does the meat come? You know, chicken, mutton. And the chicken comes from the bird, hen, and mutton comes from the goat and sheep, children. Then eggs, you know eggs. And next, plant and animal sources are these. Then what is another source? There is one more source, that is salt. You know, if you want to prepare any kind of food material or food item, most probably we need salt. Okay, where does this salt comes from? And what is the source of this salt? You know that if you want to eat curd rice, we need salt. In many of the food items, we need salt. Then where does it come? From the oceans. Understand, children? From the oceans. We get salt from the oceans, and we get fruits and vegetables from the plants, and we get milk, meat and eggs from the animals, children. And there was an activity, children. I will discuss that activity in the next class, children. We concluded up to here, children. Thank you, children.